All right, cut them potatoes up. So we're gonna throw these potatoes in a pot, let them come to a boil. Just throw some salt in there just to let them season up. So you just want to let these boil for about 15 minutes. Once your potatoes are done, obviously just go ahead and drain them bad boys. You'll know when they're done. Just stick a fork in them. So I had made this video before I actually went fully vegan, so I'm obviously using regular butter, but this is a good vegan butter brand that you can use called Earth Balance, so you can just substitute it with this if you're vegan. So now I'm just pouring in some almond milk, and I don't believe that I measured this out. I'm just pouring until, you know, I get the right consistency of what I want for my mashed potatoes. Okay, and then boom, we about to season with some black pepper, and then we're just gonna also season with a little bit of garlic salt, and we're gonna call it a day. Call it a day.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at him.
All right, now it's time to get ready to start our stuffing for the shepherd's pie. So in this pot, I have some butter, of course, and I'm just throwing in some garlic. That brand I don't really like too much. I'll find a picture and I'll insert the brand that I usually get from the little minced up garlic. Yeah, so just swirl it around. Get it nice and hot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my mushrooms and throw in my... I was so confused. I was like, why the hell them big ass mushrooms in there? I guess I wanted some more and I didn't want to dice them up. Okay, well, throw in your mushrooms and your onions, and we're gonna go ahead and brown them and flavor these bad boys up. So I'm just throwing in a few dashes of soy sauce here. Gonna sprinkle in some black pepper. Also, I'm just gonna put in some adobo as well. Y'all know what adobo is. It's a staple, beach. So I probably cooked this for about, I'll say about 7 or 8 minutes. All right, so now it's time for our Beyond Beef. So this is the Beyond Meat, their beef ground. They have 2 different versions. This is the one that's a lot better tasting and closer to, you know, like actual beef, but it is a little pricey. It's actually like $10 a pack. Like, the hell? But it's good, and as you can see, like, it does pretty well. It was a little hard to you know, like, mash up, but I found that the potato smasher actually worked perfect. So yeah, that's what I used. So I'm just throwing in some vegan Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, who really knows how to say that word? All right, and then I also seasoned with some black pepper, some adobo. Weird, adobo was first. Black salt. Strange. Pepper. Oh, soy sauce. Okay. All right, bye. So I actually forgot about my carrots, so I just ended up throwing them on the side. That way I can make sure that they were really cooked to my liking. And then I ended up just mixing it in with my beef. Just adding in some tomato paste, and I know I did like maybe a good tablespoon of it, not too much. Diced tomatoes, I don't know how much I put in here, so we about to see. Okay, I was playing, don't know what that was about, but all right, well, I was beating the hell out of that spoon. Oh my gosh. This is some flour that I just put in here to kind of make it more like gravy-licious. I don't really know what the term would be. Alright, so we're gonna add in our broth now. No chicken broth. Busted them tomatoes back out because I knew I was playing. Oh, the chicken broth, that was real quick. It went by real quick. Just pour it in there. I think I did like not even a whole cup. Just pour it in there. Just sprinkling in some Italian seasoning that I have. It's pretty much just like Italian herbs though. It's not really like seasonings as far as like salt or garlic, anything like that. It's just herbs. So this step is when I'm adding in my corn, and I believe this is like fire roasted corn. Got it from Whole Foods, and then I'm also adding in my peas in this step as well. And I'm sorry that my stuff is not measured out. You know, I do whatever I feel is right. As you can see, I was just throwing in some more broth at this point. So just do whatever you think is right. Eyeball it. You just want to let this all cook together, I'll say for maybe about 10 minutes, just to give the corn and the peas enough time to like, you know, defrost. Now for the fun part. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble these. Nice little square pan, works perfect like you see here. I think I got this bad boy from the damn Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree to plug. You just wanna gently smooth down some potatoes on top. And of course, I didn't want mine to look perfect because that's whack. So I just gave it kind of like a nice little fluffy type of look, I guess. So yeah, just cover it up with your potatoes. Take a look. Oh my God. They were just so beautiful. Look at this. Perfectly brown. Ooh.
Piping.